Hi, I'm Asif Ebrahim. I'm founder of Learners Conclave. I work with 10,000 trainers and 500 companies, HR, L&D professionals. I've written a book called Train and Grow Rich. I do only one program, team building programs in experiential learning methods. And wherever I go, I carry this bag with me. A lot of times people want to see what is the secret, what is there in this bag. I carry a lot of props so that we can do more and more program activities. It's very well defined whether the company wants to do a 3-hour session or a 1-day session or a 2 days or a 3-day session. But we are prepared for 10 days. We keep on learning newer activities, we keep on buying props and we keep on upgrading ourselves. I'm sharing the secrets with you. If you want to know what all I carry, do watch this video till end. So I'll just show you what is there in this bag. These are my secrets which I'm sharing with you. This is a number game activity. These are sticky balls to capture all the learnings. This is Wonder Box. These are all color papers. These are boards. These are marker pens and sketch pens. Number books. These are tea games. More color papers. This is balloon kebab. A lot of activities we do with balloons. These are ropes. These are soft hula hoops. These are picture cards which are used for icebreakers. They are playing cards. There are so many activities which we have, and these activities are customized to the client's needs. Depending upon what the client is facing, we customize those activities and we run and we connect them to their workplace, what changes, how we can change, what kind of effect can happen at the workplace. So if you want to know more about it, you can reach out to me. I will personally share all these activities with you so that you can also deliver an awesome program. Thank you so much. These are picture cards. These picture cards, you can print it, you can go to Google, you can have these abstracts, you can print it. So, and these are mostly used for, these are various picture cards, These are used for as an icebreaker. If you want to know how to use this, that I can explain you in details in my next video. It's called as number game 1 to 36, and it's all the activity called Save the Planet, which you can use for your training programs. These are board games. This is an awesome activity to think out of the box, to see this. I create specific videos for each and every activity of mine. And what are the different things? These are balloon kebabs. This is, a lot of people will say it's impossible. This is the kebab sticks. You have to blow the balloon and pass it on, and then it happens. I'll share each and every activity details on my YouTube channel. There are a lot of games and activities which I have added. Go to Learners Conclave. You can see a lot of activities of what trainers does. We have a program called as Game Storm, which we do pan-India, Bombay, Delhi. We do pan-India programs at all cities. You can reach out to me. I can share about the program details in your city. A trainer. First is you have to define what is it your forte is. Depending upon your forte, suppose you want to be a team building trainer. Decide what are the different props that you will require. And these props are not an expensive props. These props are very, it's easily available at all the places. Some props you have to customize it and you have to buy it. All these props I've bought it, and there are hundreds of activities and different kinds of props which you can buy. You can reach out to me, and there are other people in industry, those who can provide you these props, and this will really help to make your training programs much more engaging. Why trainers have to have a training man? Number one, they will feel more confident of doing these activities. Number two is you will be looked up to as a leader if you know a lot of stuff, if you are preparing yourself, and the investment is hardly 10,000, 5 to 10,000 max. And even if how much trainers get paid, what I've seen, from 50,000 to 1.52 lakh rupees for a one-day program. Even if you're starting new in this industry, you get paid from 10,000 to 50,000. So even if you do one program, your return on investment is guaranteed. But some people, some trainers don't do these kind of, don't prepare themselves. They find it very difficult doing these activities without a prompt. So I request everyone, have a training bag, have everything structured into that training bag so that your programs are awesome and people look up to you. Thank you so much.